To clean your LXn or LXGN series dish machine, press and hold the power button for 5 seconds to power the machine off. The machine will automatically drain. When the display is no longer lit, you may open the door. Remove the lower and upper rinse arms by pressing the quick release buttons on the sides of the rinse arms. Pull the rinse arm off, then the wash arm. Check for obstructions in the nozzles and clean as required. Remove the strainer pan and scrap basket. You may remove them together, or remove the scrap basket first, then the strainer pan. Thoroughly clean these items in a sink. Wipe the interior of the machine with a damp cloth and wipe the exterior of the machine. Do not use steel wool. Replace the strainer pan and scrap basket. Make sure the scrap basket is interlocked in the strainer pan before running the dish machine. Replace the upper and lower wash and rinse arms and make sure they are secure. Spin the arms to make sure they move freely. Use a standard screen cleaner or microfiber cloth to clean the touchscreen. Leave the door open slightly overnight to allow the interior to air out and dry.